Guys, so it's day 3 of spring cleaning, and let me tell you, I woke up so sore and so exhausted. It is almost 5 o'clock and I haven't started yet. We had to go to the 3 different Dollar Trees because, two different ones, because nobody had any more of the pretty, containers that I wanted, and I needed them for other parts of the kitchen and for under the bathroom sink and all that jazz. So I'm going to be posting just the finishing up the kitchen and just to finish it. Who knew it would take 3 days? I didn't. I thought I was going to do a different room every day, but I guess if you do it right, it takes a long time, right? So I'm exhausted. I just couldn't do it this morning. I'm in so much pain. I'm out of shape and I'm exhausted, but I want to finish. So we went to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna roll that clip in a second, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got. So enjoy. Okay, so this is the 3rd Dollar Tree I'm at. Everybody's out of these. And I know I cleaned out the other store yesterday, so I have to do the kitchen cabinets. So these are what I really came for. Whoops, I dropped something. I really wanted these because these are perfect to throw light bulbs and all that kind of stuff in. So I'm going to be loading up on these, and I will show you what I get later. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. I got a ton of stuff. Again, it's $1.25 a piece. Like I said earlier, I had to go to a couple different Dollar Trees because I wiped out the one in my town. The next one I went to had none, like none. So the last one I went to had a ton, and I was so excited. I took a lot of I wiped them out too. So I'm super excited to use these things in my cabinets. I think they're gonna be super helpful, and I'm excited to show you. So let's get to it. I found a couple of these. We're gonna make these tonight for a snack. It's the Starburst all pink Jello, and we're gonna put, I have chopped up pineapple, so not SCENTSY related. Actually, none of this is SCENTSY related, but the whole process of the cleaning was SCENTSY related. So anyway, so let's get to it. I got another one of these for my drawer in my office because they didn't have any more at the other ones. And this was the only one they had left of that kind. So I'm excited to get it. Then I got this for my drawers as well. And I'm not sure what I can use them for, but like one of them I used in my pantry yesterday to put my potatoes and my onions in, because sometimes you forget about them and then they start to go bad and then they ruin the bottom of your cabinet. So these are nice to have for that. So I got those. This is what I was really excited about, is these ones right here. I really like these. I have a bunch of like light bulbs, and I think these would be great for lids to like pots and stuff. So I really like these a lot. I'm excited to see what I can use them for. And yeah, so I got those. I got, let's see, 3 blue, 3 pink, and 3 of the coral. Look how pretty those look. Oh my gosh. And they'll be great for like under the sink. Same with these. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use them for. I'm thinking I might use these in the refrigerator because I just like the size of them. Not all of them in the refrigerator, but like a couple for drinks or whatever. And then I got more of these for our waters and sodas, and you know, I have just a bunch of stuff. So these are great. I bought 4 more of these. And then I love these. These are really gonna be great. I like that they're very, they're not exactly rectangle, like they go in a little bit, but I like the shape of them. They only had 1 blue, but that's okay. But these are gonna be great for under the sink as well. And maybe Tupperware. I don't know. I gotta see what I can use them for. I know I'm gonna be able to use them. I just don't know where I'm gonna use them. I can't talk. I'm tired. Words are hard. Anyway, So then I got, oh, here's another one of these. I found this for my glasses because I hate having a huge eyeglass case. And this, you literally just slide your glasses in. It takes up 0 space. And how cute is that? So I got that for my glasses. Then these are from my daughter's house. Like, I wouldn't trust a basket of laundry in these because they're cheapy cheapies. But she's got a bunch of shoes and stuff in her closet that she can just throw in these. So that's great. I think these are gonna be great. So that's what I got. So that's everything, you guys. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm not gonna film the whole thing. I'll just show you guys the before and after. And then I gotta do my floors, and then I'm done in the kitchen. Took 3 days, but we're getting her done. We're getting her done. All right, guys, I will see you in a bit. Oh my gosh, so this is my mission if I choose to accept it. We're gonna be working on this, and I think I can really make it nice and organized. So let's see. All right, guys, so I just finished this cabinet right here. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out really great, and I'm gonna show you what I put in the different containers. So, and my dog is really enjoying me sitting on the floor. So you will hear him sniffing right now. He thinks it's really fun that I'm sitting on the floor. Okay, so this one, I just have a ton of different light bulbs. And so that is a good place for them. And they fit absolutely perfect. That's what I actually wanted those for. And this next one has odds and ends in it. Oops, it's stuck. Okay, it has odds and ends. I have my iron that I use once a year. I have just, you know, plates, things to hang up, what are they called? Clothes racks and stuff. I have zip ties, just things that I need, but that I don't need all the time. So I'm gonna put those there. Okay, here I have some extra extension cords and some extra, oh my gosh, mason jars. And this I'm going to use definitely in the summer where I work. It's one of those cooling things. And so there I have that. Down here I have all my dusting supplies, my dust brooms. I got my bingo back there. Over here I have, these were already like this. I just needed a container for them. I don't know about you, but I always use WD-40. I need that handy and at the ready. So I have a bunch of screws and Allen wrenches and you name it, I got it in here. Jeweler's screwdrivers. These are like to hang up shelving. So I have that. And these are all vintage, by the way. I love these. They're so pretty. Okay. Here we go. I have stuff here. A lot of this is painting supplies and crafting supplies. I have a couple of these clamps. I'm always using clamps. I'm pretty handy around the house, so I have a lot of stuff. Right here I have all of my, I have a million screwdrivers, you guys. Like I said, I'm pretty handy, and I found 2 of my handy dandy box cutters that I'm always losing. And I have my wrenches, stuff like that. Then over here I have all my levels. I have several different levels, and I have just my hammer and all that kind of stuff. Measuring tapes. I have 3 different measuring tapes. This one, as you see, it doesn't go back in, but it's my favorite. I love this measuring tape for small things, so I'm keeping it. I don't care that it's a mess. So, and this actually fits perfect. I can actually close the door. And then I still have room right here for when I buy paper towels that I need to store. So I still have room. So that's it. I think it turned out great. And yeah, I'm excited. This is going to be a game changer here. Okay, so I really like how my pots and pans cabinet turned out. I had bought this little rack for the pans at Ross, and I really like it. I'm using it for my smaller pans. I don't think it would work for my larger ones. And then I just kept a couple pots. My mom is always coming over with random pots and pans for me. And yeah, I don't need that many. So I'm going to give them back to her. She can take those home. And none of my stuff ever matches because, like I said, my mom just brings stuff over. I don't know. I think she gets it at Goodwill. I don't really care as long as it works. But, like, I don't need that many. She needs to, like, seriously stop. So I have my roasting pan back there, which I love. And I kept just one of my casserole dishes. Not like I ever make a casserole, but you never know. Then I have my little, like, gravy type of pans, little saucepans. I have my larger pans there. And then I love this for my lids instead of the thing that I had here. I went ahead and took that off because it would make it so hard to keep the door closed. So I think this looks great. It looks organized and definitely a lot better than what I had. Okay, so this cabinet is my Tupperware cabinet, and to be honest with you, I don't think it's going to end up staying neat. My youngest daughter puts away the dishes, and I just do not see this staying, but we can try and we can hope. But I don't know. But for right now, it looks good. So there's that. So that's it. I finally finished the kitchen. I love it. I feel so much better having everything done. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoyed the video.